Dear students, welcome to the channel. We are learning the unit algebraic expressions and identities. In the previous videos, we have learned basic concept of multiplying a monomial by a monomial, multiplying monomial with binomial and trinomial. In this video, we are going to learn about how to multiply a polynomial with a polynomial. Now, we will learn how to multiply a binomial by a binomial. Now, consider a binomial a plus b and another binomial c plus d. Now, how to multiply these two binomial? Now, take the first term of the binomial. Now, multiply the first term of the binomial to the second binomial, that is a into c plus d. In the same way, multiply the second term of first binomial to the second binomial, that is plus b times c plus d. Now multiply a into c plus d, then b into c plus d. Now it is a simple monomial and binomial multiplication, that is a into c is a, c plus a into d is a, d, b into c is b, c, next b into d is b, d. This is how you multiply a binomial by a binomial. Moving to second example, 3a plus 4b into 2a plus 3b. Now take the first term of the first binomial, that is 3a, times multiply with the whole binomial, that is second binomial. What you get is 2a plus 3b. Now take the second term and again multiply with the second binomial, 2a plus 3b. Now multiply 3a into 2a, 3 2s are 6, a into a square. Now 3a into 3b, that is 3 3s are 9, a into b is ab. Now multiply 4b into 2a, then 4b into 3b, that is 4b into 2a is 4 2s are 8, b into a is ba. Now 4 3s are 12, b into b is b square. Now what we get is 6a square. Now we know that like terms can be added, 9ab and 8ba or ab is same. Therefore these two are like terms. Add 9 plus 8 is 17ab. Then the remaining term is 12b square. This is how you multiply a binomial term. Example 3. Multiply x minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Now take the first term and multiply with the second binomial, that is 2x plus 3. Now take the second term of the first binomial, that is minus 4 times 2x plus 3. Now x into 2x is 2x square. Now x into 3 is 3x. Now there is a negative sign is there. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8x. Minus into plus is minus, 4 3s are 12. Since plus 3x minus 8x are like terms, we can be added or the terms can be added or subtracted. What we get? 2x square. 8x minus 8x plus 3x, what we get is minus 5x. Because when you are adding a negative number and a positive number, you have to do the subtraction with bigger numbers, and that is 8 minus 3 is 5, bigger number sign is minus, what we get is minus 5x minus 12 as it is. Next question, a square plus 2b square into 5a minus 3b. Now take the first term and multiply with the binomial term. Then say take the second term and multiply with the binomial term. Now a square into 5a minus 3b, then 2b square into 5a minus 3b. Now what you get? A square into 5a, what you get? It is 5a cube. A square into a is a cube. Now plus into minus, minus 3 a square as it is, then b as it is. Now 2 into 5 is 10 a and b square as it is. Now plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6, b square into b is b cube. No like terms are there, hence this is the solution. Students, few questions for your practice. The first question, x minus y into 3x plus 5y. Second question, a plus 7 into b minus 5. Third question, 2b minus a into a square minus b square. Fourth question, y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. These are the few questions for your practice. Do practice and find solution for this. Now we learn how to multiply a binomial with a trinomial. Now consider the example of binomial a plus b. It should be multiplied with the trinomial x plus y plus z. Now what we are doing here? We are multiplying a binomial term with a trinomial, that is two terms, that is called as binomial. Then the trinomial containing three terms. Now we'll see how to multiply a binomial term with trinomial. Now the same way, take the first term of the binomial and multiply with whole trinomial. Now take the second term of the binomial, then multiply with the whole terms of the trinomial, that is a times x plus y plus z. The same way, plus b times x plus y plus z. What you get is a into x is ax, a into y ay, plus a into z az. In the same way, b into x bx, b into y by, b into z is bz. This is how you multiply a binomial term with a trinomial. Now we'll see few more examples on this. Second example, a plus 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5. Now take the first term of the binomial term, that is a times a square plus 3a plus 5. Then multiply the second term of the binomial with the trinomial, that is a square plus 3a plus 5. Now a into a square is a cube, then a into 3 is 3a square, then 5 into a is 5a, then 7 into a 7a square. Now 7 into 3a is 21a plus 7 5s are 35. A into a square, a cube, a into 3a is 3a square, a into 5 is 5a, 7 into a 7a square, 7 3s are 21a, 7 5s are 35. Now we can add the like terms, that is a cube, as it is 3a square plus 7a square, what you get is 10a square. Now 5a plus 21a is 26a, now 35 as it is. Only like terms can be added, therefore 3a square and 7a square become like terms, therefore 3a square plus 7a square is 10a square. In the same way, 5a plus 21a is 26a. This is the solution. Moving to next question, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now take the first term, multiply with the trinomial term, that is x square minus xy plus y square. Now take the second term of the binomial, multiply with the trinomial x square minus xy plus y square. That is x into the whole term. Next y into the trinomial. X into x square is x cube. Now plus into minus minus, x into x is x square, y as it is. X into y square is x y square as it is. Now y into x square is y x square. Now y into y is y square, plus into minus minus x y square. Now y into y square is y cube. Now if you observe, x square y and y x square itself, it will get cancelled. Minus x square y plus x square y will cancel out. The same way, x y square plus x y square minus x square minus x y square will cancel out. The remaining term is x cube plus y cube. Minus x square y, then plus x square y will cancel out. In the same way, plus x y square minus x square will cancel out. The remaining terms are x cube plus y cube. This is the solution. These are the few practice questions for you. The first question, a square plus b square into c square minus d square plus z square. Second question, x square plus y square into x cube minus 2p cube plus z cube. Now the third question, a minus b plus c into a square plus b square. These are the questions for your practice. Students, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you have understood the concept of multiplication of polynomial by a polynomial. In that we have learnt multiplying a binomial with a binomial. Then we have seen multiplying a binomial with a polynomial. Hopefully you have understood this concept. Based on this concept, try to practice all these problems and try to do the exercise questions from your textbook. Thank you again for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel.